in my third trimester of pregnancy, and we are going to be moving in like 2 weeks. I mean, bye barn, our barn rental. We're not going to be seeing you anymore. I'm dealing with emotions on that one because I've been here for a while, seeing a beautiful phase of my life here in this barn. But we, my partner and I, and we've got Tom and Xenia, who are 11 and 9 years old, and of course the bun in the oven. We have fixed up the $20,000 house. From a condemned house to a now legally habitable, pretty cute place. So, I got a lot to do, as you can imagine. I have got to move us from the barn to the new house officially. Now, I've still got 2 weeks, so I'm still in a mode of doing everything super organized, cleaning everything as I move it over to the new house, getting rid of a lot of stuff. I'm going to the recycling center, the dump, the thrift store. I want to get rid of a lot of stuff. And also just staying on top of regular daily life. Y'all probably remember I had this crazy thing with my shoulder. I have started physical therapy, and y'all, I had never been to physical therapy before, but at least where I'm going, I would highly recommend. So they pretty much told me, like, they could see that I was crooked, and they can see where there's tightness in different muscles. And then, like, on this side of my shoulder is just weak. It's, like, so much weaker. And, like, they targeted, like, certain muscles are really weak. And, like, alrighty over here is, like, strong and going with it. So I've got exercises and stretches, because it would be really nice if my shoulder didn't go out on me and I was at like a level 8 pain as I am trying to give birth to a baby. That's what really terrifies me, is that my shoulder problem will inhibit my natural birth dreams and my beautiful magic birthing. So I'm in physical therapy. Today, here at the barn, I go through, first of all, I need to be caught up on chores. Because if I'm doing all this extra stuff of moving and organizing and cleaning, you gotta stay caught up on the regular chores anyway. So the first thing I'm gonna tackle is a mountain of laundry. And it is a mountain because we had so many cold, wet, rainy days. And I dry all my clothes by air outside. You wouldn't believe the electricity I save, which is nice for the budget, but super nice for Mother Earth. Anyway, it's a little thing that I just made a habit in my life that is actually very soothing and meditative, like hanging up the laundry line. I love it. And I go outside, I breathe the air, I see the sky, I touch the clothes. It's actually just like a ritual I've built into my life that I think is beneficial for me and the earth. And I'm not really putting myself out as much as you would think you are. Doing it, I enjoy it. If it was something that took up like a huge portion of my life and I hated doing it, then it would not be worth it. But I like it. I can smell the sun on the clothes. So it's a clean with me, pack with me, organize with me kind of situation in today's video. I keep a little notebook where I keep to-do lists that keeps me really on track in life. So on the to-do list, I keep a little barn category. And I have each section of the barn on here and maybe some other little things I have to do. And I check off each room as I go through the room. That's the best way I've found to organize cleaning and chores, is room by room, and just like, this is a list I keep for like a week. So if I finish like a little tidy on a room, maybe a little wipe down, and I pack a couple of boxes, organize, go through something, then I check off that room. And so I'm getting a little progress done in each week on each room. And of course, there will be the big moving day, but I'm going at my own pace for now. But it's actually drip by drip, the bucket fills is one of my #1 life mottos, and it actually really works really well. So I go through and tackle each room. And like maybe in the kitchen, it's just like countertops, dishes, vacuum, put away things, and then I can mark off the kitchen. And so it just keeps me on top of each room. Sometimes I go meticulous on cleaning, but sometimes it's not meticulous, but I just target each individual room and check it off. And if I did these rooms on Monday and I have these rooms left, then I go on that. And so once it started becoming about packing and moving, then that's included when I go through that room, is to make some progress on the packing and the moving. Get over the belly, y'all. It's so beautiful and round. I love it. I have never felt more like a kangaroo mama or a koala mama. This baby is very active, very, very, very active, and very present with me. And it'll be like slightly bittersweet when he comes out, because I will miss having him in my pouch, and I'll have him in real life, and that'll be really great. But it's also nice to have a baby in the pouch. This is the remaining laundry to do. A little color pile, a little darks pile, some stuff that needs special treatment, and a pair of John's blue jeans. That's all we got left. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Me being pregnant and the belly is healthy cooking. And if I'm doing anything in a pan with like olive oil or something, my belly sticks out. And so I've been getting grease spots and food dirt on the belly of my clothing. So anytime there's like grease or food stains, I use dishwashing soap on the stain, give it a little friction, and then wash it with laundry soap in the washing machine. I gotta start wearing an apron. Y'all see the spots? There's one, there's one, there's one. Oh no, there's just so many. I've made a mess of myself. I love this sweatshirt, by the way. It just has the perfect fit. The color makes me happy. I really did her in, didn't I? I'll just leave her there sitting on the washing machine waiting for her turn to go in. Alright, so this used to be our bookshelf here in the living room. And so I have packed all that stuff, taken all that stuff to the new house. But now I'm using it as a baby supply organization place. Like, I'm just going to keep all that stuff here, organizing it. And what I'm doing is I'm doing some thrifting. I've obviously had some amazing hand-me-downs. And I have made a baby registry. You can find the link to that in the description of this video. Now, what I'm doing is, as I find things thrifting, secondhand, hand-me-downs, I take it off the registry. So, yeah, between the registry and my current stocks, that covers everything. And then as I go out hunting and gathering, you know, we will, like, I adjust the baby registry as I go. A lot of you are just like so sweet and kind and generous and giving. And like, if you did want to send me something, bless your hearts. You know, it doesn't have to be something for the baby registry, but that's the idea of the kind of stuff I need and like. So like, if you have hand-me-downs, I got a PO box. But I'm organizing little baby clothes by size. Oh God, it feels so good. I absolutely love stripes, solid colors, tie-dye. It's organized by little baby size, going from smaller to bigger. I don't really like a lot of like characters or like baby prints, words, that kind of stuff. Are y'all with me? Anyone feel that way? I did get little foxy bibs from the thrift store the other day. They're so cute. So I'm excited to do some more baby content, and so I'll take y'all thrift shopping with me for baby. We'll go through everything I have for baby once I get the storage situation at the new house together. I'll show you how I got things set up for the baby, and all that is coming. But this is how I'm staying organized during this transitional move time before I get the baby's area set up. So over here, I kind of get boxes started. Like, I've got a bag over there for Goodwill thrift stores. I got a box of books. I've got a box to go to John's office. I've got a box to go to my creative desk area. So I'm just kind of opening up boxes and just kind of filling them with odds and ends through the rooms, that kind of thing.